Hi, my name is Lee, and this is my informative speech. I want to discuss one of Earth's most intriguing creatures, one that uses its own body chemicals to do a unique process that we humans, even with all our modern technology, cannot do. I'm sure if you were raised in the country or visited the country during the late spring or summer months, you must have encountered um, these small wonders. After listening to my speech, you will have a scientific knowledge of how this particular species creates a substance that is not only beneficial for its survival, but we humans enjoy observing. And I'd like my classmates to remember and observe one thing of beauty this planet has to offer us humans. This is just another aspect of beauty here on our planet. This creature, using its own body to manufacture chemicals that causes the abdominal part of its body to give off light into the surrounding environment. At this point, you must know this creature is the firefly, or what is commonly known as the lightning bug. Before we delve into its biology of light production, let's take a look at the firefly's origin. It begins as an egg laid in the ground by the female, who immediately leaves the eggs and dies a short time afterwards. She lives probably a few hours or sometimes a few days. The eggs then develop into larvae, and they remain in the larva stage for about 2 years. The larva stage develops into the pupa stage, which becomes the actual firefly. Now let's take a look at the biology of the firefly now that we know that its origin of being an egg. Okay, the firefly, um, its light is known as by scientists as bioluminescence light, light produced by a live creature. In the tail of the firefly, there are two chemicals, luciferase and luciferin. In the presence of magnesium ions and ATP, these two enzymes changes from chemical energy into light energy. And that's what we observe as light from this lightning bug. Each sect of lightning bug produce a specific color of light. Some sects uh, produces yellow light. Some lightning bugs produce orange light. Still others, blue light or white light. On a warm summer evening, these dancing lights create a beautiful spectacle, a beautiful light show, courtesy of Mother Nature, as they fly around um, looking for a mate. So let's take a look at the use of the light of the firefly. Survival of the firefly depends on its flash of light to attract a mate. The number of flashes sent and received by the male and the female determines whether or not mating will take place. The male flashing lights signals, he's looking for a signal from the female. The female, while the male is flying, the female is perched in a tree, on a shrub or bush, or in the grass. If the female is interested, she will flash a signal back to the male. And if he's interested, he'll fly to the female where meeting takes place. Excuse me, where mating takes place. Now, the flash of light is used for mating. This light can be used by the scientific community. The light produced by the firefly is known as cold light. Uh, the lights that man makes, uh, fluorescent light, a great deal of its light is converted to heat. So we lose part of the light. But a firefly's light is 90% light. There's no heat involved. So scientists are trying to figure out how we can make more efficient lighting that won't uh, become heat and will remain light. So the firefly flashes of light is used by the human community, can be used and by the human community for, as I said, more efficient, to make more efficient lighting. Today I shared with you information about a delightful little creature who brightens our little planet and make us feel happy for a little while. Thank you for your attention.